love you guys, and I wanted to come through with sexy looks for you guys, for your lovers, for you and your lovers, for the hot bitch. Come and give me a kiss in the mouth, and I'll see you.
Don't you know?
Hello, you beautiful mother jumpers. Welcome back to my Mimi Tatum channel. I am so beat today, and I kind of fucking like it. I'm back with another one from Nadula hair. Why do I have scissors in my hair right now? It's not safe. So I'm back with a kinky straight U-part wig. She's very kinky. They snatched this right up off our head. One of the girls who got real long hair, oh baby, they snatched it up off her hair. Okay, so she's coming through. She's 24 inches of love, sex, and magic. This unit at 24 inches is currently going for about $213, like $214, $213. Okay, so she's an absolute vibe. Like, I'm really into this one. So I am going to go through, I'm doing like Valentine's Day looks. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys like a series of like maybe 5 or 6 videos, probably 5, and what we're gonna do is get into a sexy look for Valentine's Day. So I'm already beat down. Ooh, oh, the bitch I made. I'm gonna give you the cap construction, and I'm gonna style this one. I get a lot of U-part wigs, so I'm gonna give this one a love and sex and magic she deserves. I'm thinking we're gonna straighten her out. She already looks thick already. So we want to really get into that and kind of like thin her out a bit. And then we're just going to go on through and maybe give her like some wine curls. Because I'm going to throw in a different dress. I'm going to give you guys a whole Valentine's Day look with this one, okay? So let's get into the cap construction. She has 1, 2, 3 combs at the top, okay? 1, 2 on the side, 1 at the bottom, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Oh, is that my... Oh, I had to make sure my elbows wasn't ashy, child. So this unit is really, really, really stunning. The texture of the hair, it feels a little dry to me, if I'm being honest. It feels a little dry. We're going to see what she's like. I'll give you guys my feelings after I straighten her out a bit. But right now she feels a little bit dry. So let me just throw her on for you guys with it looking like this, so we can get like a before situation. Oh, and before we get into that, this $214 unit, they giving away good night, came with some gifts, guys. All right, Nadula Hair so graciously provided us with, when you purchase a wig, we have some lashes, clips. I'm gonna need these right now, a wig cap, and a scarf. So let's go on ahead. I'm gonna throw this on and see what she's working with. Looks really, really pretty to me. Forgive my hair, y'all. I got my head that's straightened. I hate straightening my hair, but this is actually really cute, if I'm being honest. It's a lot of hair though, guys, like a lot of hair, but she really is a vibe. I didn't do my edges or anything yet. I don't think I am. I think I'm gonna keep it like real natural looking, but she's kind of cute. So let me turn around so you guys get the full view. Okay, see, she really is a vibe, but it's a little big for me right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on through and curl her up. I'm gonna curl her up, I'm gonna make her look like something, throw on my outfit, and we're gonna get this all together. one. Obsessed! This is one of my date night looks that I'm giving you guys today. Nadula hair came all the way through. I was really worried about this unit because when I first touched it, I was kind of like, right? But then I went through, I straightened her out a bit because I think she just was a little thick in the middle, and it gave you like a lot of hair, like really lioness-like, and it wasn't really the look I was going for, right? I wanted something more sexy, more refined for the girls, and I feel like that's what we gave her. And I came through with a hot pink look. I'm really feeling this look, bitch. Let me tell you something. So the texture of the hair was beautiful. She did not tangle at all. At all. And I went through, combed it, fried, dyed, laid a bitch to the motherfucking side, okay? And she really provided. What do y'all think? I'm really into this. Like, I'm so glad we took our time, went through and curled her up. I just wanted something different. You know what I mean? Like a different vibe, a different zhuzh. It's date night. We're sexy. We still want a real natural, sexy look, but it's giving thick. Ooh. Ooh, she's giving thick, honey, and nasty. And I think that's sexy. Am I giving love, sex, and magic? Am I? Let me tell y'all. I'm really absolutely positively into this unit. She's only, again, going for just under $215 for the length that I have, which is 24 inches. She's hella big head friendly, okay? Like hella big head friendly. So she is Wakanda forever in the back, honey, because I had to make sure this thing was sitting on here. Now, let me say this. If you're looking for a wild night, pin mother down. Make sure your hair is braided. Y'all know typically I put my hair in a ponytail and throw on a wig. But make sure your hair is braided for this one. If you having a wild night and y'all gonna be brulling and tussling and doing all the things that grown folks do. You going out with your man, your woman, your human, okay? This one is giving. I have on a naked wardrobe dress. I'll stand up for you guys so you guys get the full look. Okay, ain't she sexy? Giving all back and black and sexy and nasty. I'm obsessed. You're welcome. You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy early Valentine's Day, or whenever I put this out. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you guys, and I wanted to come through with sexy looks for you guys, for your lovers, for you and your lovers, for the hot bitch. Bitch. Come and give me a kiss in the mouth. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.